Hi, students. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm create content related to lifestyle, beauty, English, and boxing and whatnot. If you like to step finding you can subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, in today's video, I'm going to share with 5 things I wish I know before starting content creation. So let's get right into the video. So as you guys know, starting something is important, but without planning them, I think it will flop for you. Initially, when I started my art channel, I did the same mistake. I don't know what exactly and how to post, and I used to post really random videos, like some stuff related to like makeup products, skincare products, this that. I really don't know at that time what exactly how to post and all. Initially, it flopped and all. Same way, I didn't end up like losing hope and all. I tried to build up the niche and I started to post content consistently. After that, I have done some research and I get to know that we have just should not post anything totally randomly, and we have to choose some certain stuff regarding to our audience or maybe our subscribers or followers who are out there who are interested in particular content type and who are following us. We have to keep the content according to that. After that, when I started this lifestyle channel, I started implementing the stuff and I've seen the changes and that growth as well. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 things which I learned in this journey. Strategy is really important than just winning it. Why? Because using some strategies will really help you a lot. Like, if coming to the content, if you're using a certain kind of trends or maybe certain kind of content concepts which are already working good in your channel or maybe on your content and all, try to like make them as a series so that it will help you a lot. Like people will come again and again and to see them because of certain strategies. You are not only getting new subscribers, but you are getting them coming back to back to watch your content and all. And also, if it is really very motivated and helping them a lot, they will surely come again and again. So, strategies are really very important while from creating the content from scratch or for studying the certain concepts or doing some kind of research and all. Everything includes in the strategy. Second one is the power of batch creation. I really love this one. Initially, I don't know this thing and I used it to burn out a lot. Every time when I used to film a certain kind of content is I used it to do everything from scratch, like setting up my whole setup, like my tripod, the lighting condition and everything. I used it to do from scratch and it used to took me really so much of time. But by doing batch creation, I don't need to do so much of like setup every single time. Why? Because I'm already having proper setup now, so I need to just do the content stuff and all. What I do is I try to like film at least 2 to 3 content pieces. So because of that, it saves a lot of time. Because of this batch content creation and all, it saves me 30 to 40% of my time, which I used to burn out initially when I started doing everything from scratch, setting up and all. You can create batch content by using only like certain kind of like concepts like which you are doing like series and all. It will be really very helpful if you are doing series. Batch content will be super. You can do more than 10 content pieces at the same time if it is like short content and all. If it is long content, stick with for only 3 videos, otherwise you will get exhausted. Because of doing this batch content now, you are having all the raw footage in your hand, so whenever you are having the time now, you can just go edit them and just schedule them or maybe upload them. So you'll be getting ready for the content which is already in your hand. You can just edit them and post them. This one will really help you to grow a lot and being really very consistent. So as a creator in initial stage, I don't know, no one told me this thing. So it's better to do it like this. Third one is invest in basic but in reliable gadgets. So initially when I started, I thought to use whatever I have, like only by using the phone and then maybe my earphones and all. But audio used to be very shabby and shaky. And initially I don't have any kind of tripod and all. I used to like place that one on put boxes on the by piling up some books and all like that I used to do. But because of that now, like content used to be not that much in good quality and all. After that, I invested in a good ring light tripod stand. Because of that, in case if I'm not having proper light, I used to use the ring light. Because of the tripod stand, my content is really very stable and good. And also coming to the lighting condition and all, initially I used to film it inside the house, some also film inside the house, but I used to not have good lighting. Because of that, now I switched to having a room which is having proper and good natural light. Because of that, I no need to use any kind of other lights. It's really useful for me. And I thought to invest in a mic. In the same way, you can also invest. If you are having your budget, then you can go with color mic as well, not only with your mics and all. You can go with anything from the small. Eventually, when you are growing and you are having that stable income flow, you can just upgrade the gadgets. But basic gadgets are really very important. Instead of using Xiaomi, go with the basic gadgets. I got my tripod 4 years back and I'm still using it. And now it's really in good condition. And same goes with my mobile as well. Content quality is good and it's really good. And the only thing it's lacking is because of the lighting condition, my loader release is to be not in that much good quality. So please try to invest in basic gadgets in your budget and use them wisely and properly to make your content creation journey easy and also smooth, and they'll eventually give you some kind of output in which you will come with the ingress and you will be having a lot of growth as well. Fourth one is SEO and thumbnails are like our best friends. I'm not kidding. If it is a short content or maybe for long content, thumbnail plays a really huge thing. Why? Because if someone is scrolling randomly in normal feed, if they are seeing that thumbnail, they will tend to go into the video and they will watch it. So thumbnail is like a clickbait. Whatever the content you said in the video, try to make it more appealing and attractive in the thumbnail so that people will surely come and watch the video for sure. Whether it's a long format or short format, thumbnail plays really major role. And coming for the SEO, you can do a lot of research for the content concepts which you are doing. Try to search some keywords initially so that you will get to know what are the exact keywords you have to keep in your title and also in the description and also in the hashtag section, especially for YouTube. I'm saying it will help you a lot to reach more new audience. Reaching to new audience is really very important, as it is important to reach your existing audience as well. See, here our main goal is to reach to the new people so that you will be eventually getting noticed by new people every single day. If they like the content, they will be surely subscribing to you or maybe following to you, and they will be getting engaged into your content day by day. Maybe they're commenting here and there. So it will help you a lot. SEO plays really major role to go from here to another new people. Yeah, I really like to research a lot on the content and also keywords and all. It really takes a bit of time, but there are a few applications and all which will really help you. Stay tuned for another video in which I'm going to review few apps which I used to do all this stuff. Fifth one is community or vanity metrics. See, a lot of the people measure like, oh, I'm having this many subscribers, I'm having this many followers. Guys, it is important to have that number, but please don't consider them as some kind of number only. Consider them as a community. If you are building a community will surely support you. Whatever the content is or whatever you're posting, community is really main thing. Building community will help you to grow a lot than building a follower base. I'm not kidding. That's why it's really very important to build your community. You can do like this by doing some interactive sections with them. Like when I'm doing a video, I'm asking them to comment what are their thoughts, maybe like asking them some questions for doing a long video. Because of that, we are going to interact again and also commenting on every single comment whoever our audience are commenting and all. Because of that, now it creates a bond between the creator and also who are the audience are there who are like the content. As we are replying to their comments, now there are more chances they will like to see, okay, they commented for this. Maybe if we are commenting and seeing another stuff, maybe they will help us. So in this way, now they are cutting back to us and they will be supporting us. If you are giving value to them, they will surely give you value back to you. I'm not kidding. This is really important for any creator, whether it is a really beginner creator or maybe someone who is having huge number of followers. Followers doesn't matter if you are not having proper community base. So what I say is building community is more important than only focusing on the followers count and all. Please try to build your community. It will help you a lot to grow your social media presence and all. I'm not at all kidding. So these are the 5 things which I wish I know sooner so that I can also achieve my stuff in the initial stage only. So I hope you will implement them and you will grow your social media presence and all. Because of that, maybe you'll be building your community and becoming successful. Let me know in the comment section if this is useful or not. And if you want to start content creation journey, I would like to know about your thoughts as well. So thank you very much, Poojas, for staying till the end. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do so, then do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. Who haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And yeah, curious if you don't know I'm doing a birthday series, then you want to sing a lot. Check out the previous video and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Okay, bye. Take care. See you in the next video.